Going on now, again, back to the video today. We're gonna be trying out the pedal box with my boy Chill, see his reaction of it. I think he gonna like it. He has an RT charger, and that pedal box is something serious when you put them on the V8s. I promise you. Like, it was cutting up on my V6, so I know it's gonna cut up on that V8. So if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Help a brother out. We almost at 300 subscribers, and at 500 subscribers, I am doing another giveaway. I did do the camera giveaway and the cash app giveaway, so we'll be doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers. So make sure you hit the subscribe button.
And the only thing was messed up. My Chrysler, they didn't make them. I didn't make them for my Chrysler. They don't make them. There's so many models back, so many years back, they wouldn't make them.
That's turned all the way up. You can adjust it. Like, it's at 100% throttle, you know, so you can change it where it don't get too much throttle.
Right.
So depends on how you want to do it.
Come on, bro.
Wake it up, for real. We'll be downshifting and shit on you and everything. Like, God dang, what's going on?
That's cartoon too, so it make it work. It's got a tune on it.
Downshift for you. Like, you can tap it, like tap it kind of hard there. Downshift for you. You can smash it. Oh man, this thing is crazy. It's crazy. You gonna always want to know. I'm telling you. Once you get used to driving it, you're gonna always want to know. Yeah. So you got valley mode, F mode, kid mode, eco mode, sport, and you got some individual. You can make it however you want it.
Oh, okay.
So I got 100% throttle, so you tap it, it's going.
Right,
so you give it just a little bit, or you give it a lot, however you want it. You just mess with it however you like it.
Right. Yeah, that bug.
It's touchy.
That's sensitive, man. My foot already kind of heavy, so
you just gotta turn it down to your liking. So in that V6, you needed it, so you can really go and get up. So you really in the V8, you really don't need it that much.
Right.
Even in that truck, it was moving in that truck. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
I was like, I almost don't want to get rid of it.
So it fit into the Dodges of the date.
When I selected it, I selected for all Dodges. So it should fit all of them.
Yeah, that's some headers. That's some shorty headers on there.
I want them long tubes on mine.
Yeah, I was gonna put long tubes. I am gonna bitch put them on there. I just wanted to do it. Yeah, I didn't do it because I was gonna lower this car.
Yeah.
And I thought about it. I said, shit, I got long tubes from other Chrysler. It's already, it scrapes off in here, you know, this car when I go over. But shit. But if I didn't fight him, something's off balance up there. My damn wheel.
What you think about it?
Shit.
Is it worth the money?
Everybody out there that wants this goddamn drop powder, man, pedal box. Better get you one, man. Better get you one. Better get you one, man.
Y'all think he don't do nothing, but
this thing ain't no joke, man. What him and Life said about this here, man, say this is an experience from you know what I'm talking about, from your boy. You know what I'm talking about, shoot. Srt Rob, man, say we showing you this thing, man. We'll do what it do. It ain't no joke. Need it.
he barely tapping it.
Barely tapping this mud, man. Ain't even man's on the gas like that. And this thing, you know what I'm talking about, take off like a jet. Better hit you one, man. Better get you one.
So if you want one, I'm leaving the description. I messed up. If you want one, I'll leave in the description below. Make sure you hit me like for the discount code and get you one today. We'll holler at you.